Friends. Hey there, it's Miss Rebecca. I have a story to read to you today called Too Much Noise by McGovern, and the pictures were drawn by Sims Tabak. And this is going to be a fun one because you get to help me make some of the noises that happen in this book. So let me tell you what kind of noises we're going to make. We are going to make the sound of the leaves falling on the roof, which is swish, swish. Can you do that one? Swish, swish. Good. We will be making the tea kettle whistle, and that will sound like this. Hiss, hiss. Can you make hiss, hiss for the tea kettle? Good. And then we're going to make the sounds of each of these animals. So there's lots of animals in this book. And the cow will say, moo, moo. Very good. What about the donkey? It says, hee-haw. Can you do that one? Good. How about the sheep? Ba, ba. Let me hear that one. Good. Then there's a hen that says, cluck, cluck. Can you make the hen sound? Good. The cat says, meow, meow. Can you make that one? And finally, the dog says, woof, woof. Can you do that one? Okay, good. We're ready to start our story. And you'll be able to tell when to make those sounds. Too much noise. A long time ago, there lived a very old man, and his name was Peter. And he lived in an old, old house. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked. Outside, the wind blew the leaves through the trees. The leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Too noisy, said Peter. Peter went to see the wise man of the village. What can I do? Said Peter. My house makes too much noise. My bed creaks, my floor squeaks. The wind blows the leaves through the trees. The leaves fall on my roof. Swish, swish. My tea kettle whistles. Hiss, hiss. I can help you, said the wise man. I know what you can do. What? Said Peter. Get a cow, said the wise man. What good is a cow? Asked Peter. But Peter got a cow anyhow. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish, the tea kettle hissed. Hiss, hiss. Too noisy, said Peter, and he went back to the wise man. Get a donkey, said the wise man. What good is a donkey, said Peter. But Peter got a donkey anyhow. And the donkey said, hee-haw. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Still too noisy, said Peter, and he went back to the wise man. Get a sheep, said the wise man. What good is a sheep, said Peter. But Peter got a sheep anyhow. And the sheep said, baa, baa. And the donkey said, hee-haw. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. much noise, said Peter, and he went back to the wise man. Get a hen, said the wise man. What good is a hen, said Peter. But Peter got a hen anyhow. And the hen said, cluck, cluck. And the sheep said, baa, baa. The donkey said, hee-haw. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked. The leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle hissed, hiss, hiss. Too noisy, said Peter, and he went back to the wise man. Get a dog, said the wise man. Oh, and a cat, too. What good is a dog, said Peter, or a cat? But Peter got a dog and a cat anyhow. The dog said, woof, woof. The cat said, meow, meow. The hen said, cluck, cluck. The sheep said, baa, baa. The donkey said, hee-haw. The cow said, moo, moo. The bed creaked, the floor squeaked, the leaves fell on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistled, hiss, hiss. Now Peter was angry, and he went to see the wise man. I told you my house was too noisy, he said. I told you my bed creaks, my floor squeaks. The leaves fall on the roof, swish, swish. The tea kettle whistles, hiss, hiss. You told me to get a cow. All day the cow says, moo, moo. You told me to get a donkey. All day the donkey says, hee-haw. You told me to get a sheep. All day the sheep says, baa, baa. You told me to get a hen, and all day the hen says, cluck, cluck. You told me to get a dog. You told me to get a cat. All day the dog says, woof, woof. All day the cat says, meow, meow. I am going crazy, said Peter. The wise man said, do what I tell you. Let the cow go. Let the donkey go. Let the sheep go. Let the hen go. Let the dog go. Let the cat go. So Peter let the cow go. He let the donkey go, and he let the sheep go. He let the hen go. He let the dog go, and he let the cat go. No cow said, moo, moo. No donkey said, hee-haw. No sheep said, baa, baa. No hen said, cluck, cluck. No dog said, woof, woof. No cat said, meow, meow. The bed creaked. Ah, said Peter, what a quiet noise. The floor squeaked. Oh, said Peter, what a quiet noise. Outside, the leaves fell on the roof. Swish, swish. Inside, the tea kettle whistled. Hiss, hiss. Oh, said Peter, how quiet my house is. And Peter got into his bed, and he went to sleep. And he dreamed a very quiet dream. The end. Thanks, friends. Talk to you soon. Bye.